Hello students, welcome to video number 60. In this video, I'm going to explain the advantage, merits and demerits of hydroelectric power plant as well as the comparison between hydroelectric and thermal power plant. Okay. Merits of hydroelectric power plant. Number one, the operating cost of the plant including the auxiliaries is low unless in thermal power plant there are fuel handling and ash handling systems which consumes more amount. So here there is no such cost incurred. Then maintenance of the plant is comparatively less labor is required to operate the plant. Okay. So no smoke, exhaust gases, soot and the other pollution. It is pollution free and environmental friendly. The sites of hydel plants are usually away from the developed area, and hence land is very cheap. Load fluctuations can be met rapidly without loss of efficiency. So there are no standby losses. Okay. And since no fuel is used, there are no problems of handling, charging and display. Next, demerits of hydroelectric energy. Initial cost of the plant is high because it includes dam construction and all, so the cost is high. The feasibility of hydel plant depends mainly on the availability of water, okay, and rainfall, and hence the natural phenomenon of rain, and thus the problem of stopping the plant may arise during a dry period. Usually these sites will be away from load centers, so which causes loss of power and a high cost in transmission lines. It takes considerably long time for its erection compared to the other type of power plant. These are the demerits. Next we will discuss on comparison of hydroelectric plant with the thermal power plant. Okay. um, Based on the various operating conditions working as well as cost, we can compare. So the hydroelectric power plant, as we saw, the initial cost is high because the in uh, dam cost is added cost for a hydroelectric energy conversion. So but in thermal power plant initial cost is less, simple in design hydroelectric power plant, but it is complex because thermal power plant it is complex because there is a fuel handling and ash handling systems involved. The water power is inexhaustible and is not uh, rain water is easily available, and it is not exhaustible. It is convention it is renewable source. So cost is exhaustible, where coal is exhaustible in case of thermal power plant. No ash handling and fuel transportation system is present in hydroelectric, but in thermal power plant, ash handling and fuel transportation system is there. So plants are free from atmospheric pollution, so there is no health hazards. But here, plants produce atmospheric pollution problems and health hazards. It will lead some health hazard. Okay. Then plant efficiency will not decrease over the period, but in thermal power plant efficiency will decrease. Plants also serves as some purpose like irrigation and flood control in case of hydroelectric, but in thermal power plant there is no such advantage. These are the comparison between HEE and TPP.